Welcome to the Goyle Regional Championship. We bring you the third semi-final contest from the Western North Zone, which features Amenfiman Senior High School, Bompeh Senior High Technical School, and Archbishop Girls Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Amenfiman Senior High School represented by
Ebenezer Tete, final year.
and
Paul Ayewu, final year.
Paul and Ebenezer. Bompeh Senior High Technical School represented by
Kumsin Anthony,
and
Randy Covenant,
Randy and Anthony. Archbishop Girls Senior High represented by
Iramade final year.
and
Echamalina Boachi final year. Echamalina Boachi final year.
okay, Nina and Rama. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. I hope it will be an exciting contest. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goyle, with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support of CHAS in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a prime time production. This contest comes to you in 4 rounds. I will start with round 1, and in round 1, questions go to each school. And contestants, you have 10 seconds to give an answer or 30 seconds to give an answer if the question involves calculation. If you give your answer and it is correct, you may earn up to 3 points for the correct answer. If it's incorrect, I may pass the questions on for a bonus. Those up there. Thank you. So, if the answer you give is incorrect, I may pass the question on for a bonus. And the first to press the bell out of the 2 other schools gets the opportunity to answer for 1 point if the answer is correct. Please, if I have not ruled on the answer, do not press the bell. Wait for my verdict before you press the bell. Is that okay? If your answer is incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. I will start with Amenfiman Senior High School. What name is given to the kidney of earliest vertebrates that were believed to have extended the length of the coulombic cavity? Yes, Bompeh Senior High for a bonus.
Nephridium,
That is incorrect. Your own question. What is the first stage? Name the first stage of kidney development in extant vertebrates.
civilization,
Oh. For a bonus, Archbishop Girls, name the second stage of kidney development in extant vertebrates. Go on, Rama.
Gastrulation.
No. So the first one, the answer is acnephros. The second one is pronephros. And the third one is mesonephros. A preamble to all schools. The magnitude of two concurrent forces that make an angle theta are F1 and F2. Find the magnitude of the resultant of the two forces for the given values of F1, F2, and theta. You may leave your answer as a said where appropriate. The magnitude of two concurrent forces that make an angle theta are F1 and F2. Find the magnitude of the resultant of the two forces for the given value of F1 and F2 and theta. You may leave your answer as a said where appropriate. Amenfiman Senior High. F1 equals 18 newtons, F2 equals 24 newtons, theta equals 120 degrees. Archbishop Water Girls for a bonus.
24 Newton.
That is incorrect. Bompeh Senior High. F1 equals 16 newtons, F2 equals 24 newtons, theta equals 60 degrees. For a bonus, Archbishop Waters, yours is F equals 15 newtons, F1 equals 15 newtons, F2 equals 8 newtons, and theta equals 120 degrees. Yes, Lina.
We have root of 399 newtons. Root of 399 newtons.
No. For a bonus, so the first one is 6 root 13 newtons. The second one is 8 root 19 newtons. And the third one is 13 newtons. Amenfiman, preamble to all schools. Find the value of x given that the first 3 terms of an exponential series are. Find the value of x given that the first 3 terms of an exponential series are. Amenfiman. X minus 4, that's 1. Second one, x plus 2. Third one, 3x plus 1. For a bonus, x is 8 and half. I mean x is 8, then x is half. Okay. Bompeh Senior High. The first one, x plus 2. The second one is x plus 4. The third one is 2x plus 5. Yes. Go on.
X is equal to 1 or negative 5.
That is not correct. Archbishop Potter for a bonus.
X is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 2.
That is correct. Your own question. The first one is x, the second one is x plus 1, and the third one is 4x. Yes, Irama.
X is equal to 1 and x is equal to negative 1 on 3.
That is correct. A preamble. An organic compound has the molecular formula C4H6. Name one possible structure of this compound. An organic compound has the molecular formula C4H6. Name one possible structure of this compound. Amenfiman, give me one. Yes. Tete. Ebenezer.
Butane.
I'll give 2 out of 3. Bompeh, give me one.
2-methyl propene.
2.
2-methyl propene.
That is incorrect. Archbishop, give me one.
2-butane.
2-butane. So I have buta 1,3-diene or 1,3-butadiene. Then you said butane. The position of the double bond is very important. That's why I gave you 2 out of 3. Okay? It has to be either 1-butane or 2-butane. Do you get it? Then we have methyl cyclopropane, not just propane. It has to be cyclopropane. Okay? Then cyclobutene. Another preamble. Name one component of pancreatic juice. So when I get to you, you give me one component of pancreatic juice. Amenfiman Senior High. Yes, Ebenezer.
The pancreatic amylase.
Say that again.
Pancreatic amylase.
Yes, I'll give you that. Bompeh, give me one.
Trypsinogen. Trypsinogen.
Trypsinogen. No. Archbishop Water Girls.
Pancreatic lipase.
No. So I have trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, lipase, amylase as they mentioned, nucleases, and bicarbonates. Amenfiman Senior High. The magnetic flux linking a current changes steadily from 18 Weber to 16 Weber in 5 seconds. Find the EMF induced in the circuit during the flux change.
Eh, 6.8 volts.
Say it again, 6
8 volts.
No, that is not correct. Archbishop Potter girls.
0.4 volts.
That is correct. Bompeh Senior High. Find the EMF induced in a current when the flux linking it changes steadily from 15 Weber to 20 Weber in 5 seconds.
One volt.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Waters. Speak into the microphone.
1.0 volts.
That is incorrect. Yours. Find the EMF induced in a circuit when the flux linking it changes steadily from 25 Weber to 10 Weber in 3 seconds. Lena.
Negative 5 volts.
That is incorrect. Bompeh Senior High.
5 volts.
5 volts is correct. So, your major question, it was supposed to be negative 1 volt. All right. A preamble. Find the equation of the line AX plus BY equals C after. So find the equation of the line given as AX plus BY equals C after Amenfiman Senior High. A reflection in the line Y equals X followed by a reflection in the X axis. Yes.
You have
Ebenezer, yes.
y minus x is equal to 2.
No. Archbishop Potter girls.
X plus y is equal to 0.
No. Bompeh, your major question. A reflection in the y-axis followed by a reflection in the line y equals x. Yes. Randy,
Bx is equal to C.
that is incorrect. For a bonus, your major question. A reflection in the x-axis followed by a reflection in the origin. Lena,
Negative x plus y is equal to 0.
no. For a bonus, so the question gave you a line. AX plus BY equals C. So you are supposed to use that line for the transformations. So for Amenfiman, your answer was BX minus AY equals C. Bompeh Senior High, yours was the same. BX minus AY equals C. Archbishop Girls, yours was AX minus BY equals negative C. The last set of questions for round one. Identify the oxidizing or reducing agent in the given reaction, stating a reason for your answer based on oxidation states of relevant elements. So identify the oxidizing or reducing agent in the given reaction and state a reason for your answer based on the oxidation states of the relevant elements. Do you understand? Do you understand? I should repeat. Okay. Identify the oxidizing or reducing agent in the given reaction. State a reason for your answer based on oxidation states of relevant elements. Okay? All right. Your question. Oxidizing agent in the reaction NO2 minus plus Al going into NH3 plus AlO2 minus. Yes, Ebenezer.
The oxidizing agent is NO2 minus, and this is because it causes the oxidation number of Al from 0 to plus 3, and it oxidation number reduces from
Which one reduces from?
the oxidizing agent is NO2 minus.
Yes, yes, I heard that one.
And this is because it causes the aluminium Al to increase in oxidation number from
Are you saying
0.
increase or decrease? I'm not hearing you well.
Increase the oxidation number of Al
Uh-huh.
from 0 to plus 3.
Okay. You said something else. I didn't hear. That's what I wanted you to repeat.
So that's
That's all. I'll give 2 out of 3. Bompeh, yeah. Reducing agent in the reaction Fe3O4 plus C going into Fe plus CO. Yes, Anthony. Or is it Randy? Which one of you is that?
The reducing agent is
Uh-huh.
Fe3O4, and this is because its oxidation state, the oxidation state of Fe changes from positive 3 or positive 2 to 0.
That is not correct. For a bonus, yes, Amenfiman for a bonus.
the reducing agent is C, and this is because it causes the oxidation number of ion in Fe3O4 to reduce to 0 in Fe.
You said the oxidation state of Fe to what?
Fe in Fe3O4. It reduces to 0 in Fe.
No. Archbishop Girls. Reducing agent in the reaction MnO4 minus plus I minus going into I2 plus Mn2 plus. Irama.
So the reducing agent is I minus because its oxidation state changes from -1 to 0.
That is correct. So, Amenfiman, I gave you the 2 points because you said the oxidation agent is NO2 minus. If it's the oxidation state, what is it doing? So you are supposed to talk about the N, not the aluminium, okay? So the N, oxidation state of N decreases from +3 to -3. Then for Bompeh, yes, the reducing agent was C. But you have to tell me what is happening to the C, okay? So the C increases from 0 to +2. And since it was a bonus, I couldn't give you the full mark. And that ends round 1. the scores for round 1. Some protests I want to address. So for the biology question where they were supposed to give the components of pancreatic juices, Bompeh Senior High gave me trypsinogen. Trypsinogen is the inactive form of trypsin, but the consultant said it should be accepted. Then Archbishop Potter Girls gave pancreatic lipase. So that is also correct. So at the end of round 1, Amenfiman Senior High School Bompeh Senior High Technical School has 3 points. Amenfiman Senior High School has 6 points. Archbishop Potter Girls Senior High School has 11 points. Round 2. Round 2, speed race round. In this round, the questions go to all of you at the same time. The first to press the bell to give a correct answer gets 3 points. Second, 2 points. The third that gives a correct answer gets 1 point. Mind you, all incorrect answers worth what? A deduction of 1 point. Points are precious, so be careful before you press the bell. Be sure you have the answer. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Question 1. What is the pH of bile? Bompeh Senior High.
7.0.
Okay. Where is the hunger center located in the brain of humans? Archbishop Potter Girls.
Hypothalamus.
No. So it is the hypothalamus and brain stems. Give the name of the dark adipose tissues in placental mammals that is specialized for heat generation. Brown fat. A 50-Newton object at rest on a horizontal surface is pulled vertically upwards by a string. Find the pressure the object exerts on the surface if the tension in the string is 15 newtons and the contact area between the object and the surface is 0.25 meters squared. Bompeh Senior High Technical School. Randy.
We have 620 joules.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Potter Girls.
140 Pascal.
That is correct. A convex mirror has a focal length of -20 centimeters. Find the image distance for an object distance of 80 centimeters. Archbishop Potter Girls.
16 centimeters.
That is incorrect. Bompeh Senior High.
-16 centimeters.
That is correct. Find the decay constant of a radionuclide whose half-life is 54.0 seconds. On the bell. Okay.
We have 0.862 per second.
Give it again.
0.862 per second.
6.2.
Yes.
That is not correct. So the answer is 0.0128 per second. Simplify. The numerator 1 plus tan 60 degrees. The denominator tan 60 degrees minus 1. Bompeh Senior High.
-2.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Potter Girls.
We have 4 plus 2 root 3.
That is incorrect. So it is all divided by 2. So you get 2 plus root 3. Okay. Water from a fountain rises to a maximum height of 20 meters. Find the speed. Bompeh.
20 meters per second.
That is correct. Find the equation of a curve. Find the equation of a curve with gradient 6x squared minus 4x plus 5 and passing through the point A given as 0, negative 9. Amenfiman SHS.
We have 2s cubed minus 2s squared plus 5x plus 9 is equal to 0.
No. Bailed out. Which one? 2. 2. Okay.
We have 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0.
Yes. So, calculate the number of phosphorus atoms in 6.2 grams of P4. Erama.
6.02 times 10 raised to the power 22.
Take your time.
6.02 times 10 raised to the power 22 atoms.
No. Bailed out or okay, the answer is 1.2 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. How many molecules of water of hydration are present in a hydrated salt of a with a molecular mass of 268 grams per mole if the molar mass of its anhydrous salt is 124 grams per mole? Yes, Bompeh Senior High.
We have
Randy.
6 moles.
That is incorrect. Yes, Amenfiman.
8 moles.
8 moles is correct. The last question for round 2. What is the sum of the oxidation states of phosphorus in PCl5?
Positive 8.
That is incorrect. I continue. So PCl5, H3PO3, and P4O10. Archbishop Water Girls,
13.
13 is correct. And that ends round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
So at the end of round 2, Amenfiman Senior High School had 7 points. Bompeh Senior High Technical School had 9 points. Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High School had 10 points. So before we start round 3, some substitutions. Bompeh Senior High Technical School, we have Adrian coming in for Anthony. Then for Archbishop Porter Girls, we have Abigail coming in for Irama. Then for Amenfiman, we have Paul coming in for Raymond. Paul coming in for Raymond. Paul going out for Raymond. You are Raymond. You are Raymond. So you are coming in for Paul. Okay. All right. Round 3, the true or false statement round. If you talk, they will not hear it and they'll get it wrong. Okay. Statements posed to each school. And contestants, you have 10 seconds to tell me whether the statement I made is true or false. A correct answer is worth 2 points. An incorrect answer, a deduction of 1 point. You may choose not to answer, for which that statement will be passed on for a bonus of 2 points if it is answered correctly by the first school that pressed the bell, or a deduction of 1 point if it is incorrect. I start with Amenfiman Senior High School. Bees live to sting.
True.
That is incorrect. Bompeh Senior High, bees swam as defense. The microphone is off.
False.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Porter Girls, bees sting as a defense.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. A fixed quantity of an ideal gas undergoes a process in which its volume changes from 1 dm cube to 2 dm cube. A fixed quantity of an ideal gas undergoes a process in which its volume changes from 1 decimeter cube to 2 decimeter cube. Amenfiman Senior High. If the process is isobaric, the work done by the gas is positive.
True. True.
True is correct. Bompeh Senior High. If the process is isothermal, the work done by the gas is negative.
False.
False is correct. Archbishop Walter Girls. The work done by the gas, if the process were isobaric, would be greater than the work done by the gas if the process were isothermal.
False.
That is not correct. Another preamble. If A, B, and C are the length of the sides of triangle ABC, then if A, B, and C are the lengths of the sides of triangle ABC, then Amenfiman Senior High, A plus B is less than C.
False.
That is correct. Bompeh Senior High. B plus C is greater than A.
True.
That is correct. Archbishop Walter Girls. A plus C is greater than B.
True.
That is correct. Amenfiman Senior High. The inter-unit forces in lithium oxide is ionic. Let's go on, Ebenezer.
True.
That is correct. Bompeh Senior High. The inter-unit forces in hydrogen chloride is ionic.
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Walter Girls. The inter-unit forces in ethane is induced dipole and induced dipole. It's on.
True.
That is correct. Amenfiman Senior High. Plants defend themselves. Ebenezer.
True.
Yes, it's true. Bompeh Senior High. Plant leaves change color for defense.
True.
That is correct. Archbishop Walter Girls. Plants change taste for defense.
True.
That is correct. A preamble. According to Newton's second law of motion, Amenfiman Senior High, the acceleration of a moving object is inversely proportional to its mass.
False.
That is correct. Bompeh Senior High, if an object is at rest, It remains at rest unless an external force causes it to do otherwise.
True.
No. Archbishop Potter girls. A force acting on an object causes the object to move in the direction of the force with an acceleration equal to the force divided by the mass of the object.
False.
False is correct. A preamble. Preamble. If x squared minus 5x minus 6 is less than 0, then if x squared minus 5x minus 6 is less than 0, then Amenfiman negative 2 less than x less than 3. Or let me say it well. X is greater than negative 2 but less than 3.
False.
That is correct. Bompeh Senior High. X greater than negative 6 but less than 1.
False.
That's correct. Archbishop Potter girls. X greater than negative 6 but less than negative 1.
False.
That is correct. The last set of statements for round 3. Amenfiman, a catalyst may make a reaction more exothermic.
False.
That is correct. Bompeh Senior High. A catalyst may be consumed during a reaction but regenerated.
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter girls. Catalysts work well for several reactions but at different efficiencies.
False.
That is correct, and that ends round 3.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95.
Has 19 points. Amenfiman Senior High School has 20 points. Archbishop Potter Girls Senior High School has 23 points. Very, very close contest. So it is anybody's game. We are at the fun part, the fun riddle. The fun round, which is the riddles round. I'll be reading clues to a particular thing. And contestants, when you think that you know what I'm talking about, You draw my attention by ringing your bells, okay? If you give a correct answer whilst I was on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues, 3 points. Riddle, riddle. But if you give an incorrect answer, you have to sit out for that particular word, riddle, okay? Riddle number 1. I am an insect. Members of my family can be differentiated by the type of house we build. Our sweet food we prepare through hard work. Bompeh Senior High.
Honeybee.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Potter Girls.
Ant.
No. It's a delicacy for both humans and beasts. Yet, we are considered evil when we defend ourselves. I am the family member who does not defend the usual way. Come near and I will be in your hair and be a nuisance to you. Don't mistake my identity. I am not just a fly. Who am I? Amenfiman SHTS.
Dragonfly.
No. Yes. From the audience. Who knows? You know. You still don't know. It is a stingless bee. They don't sting. They don't sting, so stingless bee. Riddle number 2. I am a physical constant. I am one of the physical constants that are now defined to have exact values. My SI base unit is the kilogram meter squared per second. My numerical value is of the order of 10 to the power negative 34. Archbishop Potter Girls.
Planck constant.
That is correct. I was on the 4th clue, though they get 3 points. Riddle number 3. I am a heavy and silvery metal. I belong to the actinide group. I am found in a variety of minerals, including pitch blende. I am widely known for my use in nuclear reactors and weapons. Yes, Bompeh Senior High.
Uranium.
Uranium is correct. I was on the 4th clue, so they get 3 points. The last riddle. The last riddle. I am an equation. I am a quadratic equation. My coefficients are all integers. The sum of my roots is a dozen. The product of my roots is the least 2-digit cube. Who am I? Yes, I'm Amenfiman. Ebenezer.
S squared minus 20x plus 8.
That is not correct. Bompeh.
X squared minus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0.
That is not correct. Archbishop Potter Girls.
X squared
Yes.
minus 12x plus 27 equal to 0.
That is correct. It's correct. And that ends round 4. Amenfiman Senior High School had 20 points. Bompeh Senior High Technical School had 22 points. And Archbishop Girls Senior High School win the contest with 29 points. Thank you for joining us for the Goal Regional Championship from the Western and Western North Zone. Congratulations, Archbishop Girls. I'll be seeing you in the finals. Do join us. Do join us. Yes. When we bring you the final contest, which features GSTS, Fijai Senior High School, and Archbishop Girls Senior High School. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal with support from Joy News. This is a prime-time production. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So kindly take note that the final contest will take place at 4:30 p.m. We are breaking. The final contest will take place at 4:30 p.m. Participating schools, kindly pick your lunch in the primetime vehicle parked outside. Participating schools, kindly pick your lunch in the primetime vehicle parked outside. And coordinators, kindly note that the contestants are supposed to take a photo with the quiz mistress before we begin the final contest. To avail them, coordinators, kindly avail your contestants for the photo shoots prior to.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy.